This is how the cat sleeps.
Superman.
Look at the hands and the legs. She's a gymnastic expert.
She's doing yoga. This is called Zumba. Cat.
Super cat. She's pretending to be sleeping. She knows the camera is on her. Cat, you're not sleeping.
Wait, no, she has to take a video of her getting up because she's going to completely untangle. Cat! She's going to just turn like a turbine. Look at that. Okay, 1, 2, she can't even get up. She's stuck.
She's still saving her posture.
Turn it around, turn it around. And the cat lives! Yay!
And that is my cat. Her name is Cat Cat. Hi. Say hi to everybody. She's the cutest cat I've ever had. Out of one cat, she's the cutest.